Hello students, I am Ramchandra Karde, your mentor and educator. Today in this session, we will study different questions and answers related to different defense exams like NDA, CDS, Air Force Group X and Y, etc. different type of exams. So let's look into the content of the session. So this session will include different questions from aptitude, reasoning, and math subject. So this first question will be aptitude question. Later questions from probability, differential equation, vector, algebra, etc. And later final question will be from reasoning subject. Okay. So now let's see the aptitude question. What the aptitude question says: a man running in a round race course notes that the sum of the distances of two flag posts from him is always 10 meter and distance between the flag post is 8 meter. The area of path he encloses is what? See, this question is from mensuration chapter. In this, we have given 3 points. First point is of position of the man, okay, and the other 2 points are the flag post. So first we will draw the figure. See, we have two flag posts, flag FP1 and FP2, and third point M is of the position of man. See, this is varying, okay, this M position is varying, but FP and FP2, FP1 and FP2 are constant. And what is distance between them? 8 meters. The distance of two flag posts from him is always 10 meter. See, for FP1 to M distance is always 10 meter, means sum of mfp1 plus mfp2 is always 10. So we will make its equation mfp1 plus mfp2 is equal to 10. Consider it as a, okay. So as we know, both are equal because both are at equidistant position from that man. So obviously the distances of the both flag post will be equal. So what will be the distance of single flag post from the man? 5. Okay, because if we equate it with 2a, with a considering a variable of value of one flag post, then value of a will be 5. So value of distance from of man from flag post is 5. Okay. According to next condition, what is given? The distance between the two flag posts is 8. Okay. So now we will do one thing. We will draw a vertical line from the position of man to the horizontal line of flag post. So we will name this point as x. Okay. So now this will form a right angle triangle with B as a vertical line and C as a point distance between the focus point and the vertical perpendicular point X. Okay. So now we can have you can use the Pythagoras formula to find distance of B. Okay. What is B? C square plus B square equal to A square according to Pythagoras theorem. So we have B equal to 3 because 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplet, right? So the area covered by the man will be equal to pi AB. Okay. So what is that pi? Pi into 5 into 3. Okay. That gives 15 pi. So answer is 15 pi. Correct option is B. So now we will see next problem from NDA maths syllabus related to probability. Okay, an insurance company insured 2000 scooter drivers, 4000 car drivers, and 6000 truck drivers. The probabilities of accident involving a scooter driver, car driver, and a truck driver are 0.01, 0.03, and 0.15 respectively. One of the insured person meets with an accident. The probability that the person is scooter driver is what? Okay. See, what is the given data? First, we will analyze this problem is from probability chapter. Okay. So first we will analyze the given data. What data is given? The number of scooter, car, and truck drivers is given, and we can calculate total number of drivers by just adding the number of drivers of different vehicles, right? So also probabilities of them of meeting an accident is given, individual probability is given. Now we have to find probability that the person is a scooter driver. We had in the question it is given the probability of meeting an accident. Now we have to find the probability of the person that is scooter driver. Okay, so we will consider some, we will make some assumptions like let E1 be the event if the person is a scooter driver, E2 be the event such that the person is car driver, E3 for truck driver. Okay, and let A be the event such that the person meets with an accident. So mathematically we can represent probability of a person meeting with scooter meeting with accident is scooter driver is equal to 2000 upon 12,000. Okay, probability of E2 event will be 4,000 upon 12,000, which is equal to 1 by 3. Then probability of E3 will be equal to 6,000 upon 12,000, that is 1 by 2. Okay, number of E of 1. Okay, number of E1 then upon n of s. What is n of s? Total number. What is sum of total drivers? 2000 plus 4000 plus 6000, that gives 12,000. Okay, so we have got the individual probabilities of different events. So now we will see what is the another data. Okay, the probability of person meeting with an accident is a scooter driver is 0.01. So this is in words from. So how will you write it in mathematical form? Probability of a slash e1. Okay, first accident is given, so accident will be written as first. A for accident will be written as first. Is a scooter driver. For e1, for being a scooter driver, what is the event? E1. So a slash e1. Okay, now we have to find that the person is a scooter driver. So what we have to find? E1 slash a. Okay, similarly, for the event A slash E2, it is given as 0.03, and for A slash E3 is given as 0.15. Now we have to find the person is a scooter driver. So what is the probability? Probability of E1 slash A. Okay, the person must be scooter driver. That is the main our target. So first what is for him being a scooter driver. For being a scooter driver, what is the event? E1. Okay, so E1 is written in the numerator and A in the denominator. Okay, so how should we how can we find out? Yes, using Bayes formula. So what Bayes formula says? Let's see. Probability of E1 slash A is equal to probability of E1 dot probability of E1 slash A, upon so sum of individual products of different events E1, E2, E3. Okay, that we have to make the sum. Okay, so what will be the so values of probability of E1 and probability of E1 slash A? All these values are given. Similarly for E2 and E3 events, the same values have been given. So we have to just add them and multiply. So this will be probability of E1 1 by 6, probability of E1 slash A 0.01. Similarly from probability of E2 1 by 3, probability of E2 by A 0.03, for probability of E3 half, and E3 by A is 0.15. So what we get? 1 upon 1 plus 6 plus 45. So finally what is the answer? 1 upon 52. So probability of that a person to be a scooter driver meeting with an accident is 1 by 52. So correct option is option A. So this was question from NDA Maths probability chapter. So now we will discuss different question from another chapter, differential equation. So let's see what the question says. A solution curve of a differential equation x square plus xy plus 4x plus 2x plus 4 dy by dx minus y square equal to 0 provided x must be greater than 0 passes through point 1 comma 3, right? Then the solution curve, what it satisfied, what satisfied is asked. So we will check the, first we will solve the differential equation. What is the differential equation? We will write it down. So if we can optimize it by writing in the form of x plus 2. Okay, so what is the equation? X plus 2 whole square plus y into x plus y into dy by dx minus y square equal to 0, right? So by optimizing it, we can shorten it by substituting it with t. Okay, if we put x plus 2 equal to t, then we can optimize the differential equation, right? So now after substituting it with x plus t is equal to t, differentiate it with respect to y. So dx by dy is equal to dt by dy. So now what we will do, wherever it is x plus 2, substitute it with t. So x plus 2 square plus y into x plus 2 minus y square dx by dy is equal to 0. Put it with t. What we get? T square plus yt minus y square dt by dy is equal to 0. Right? So what is the finalized equation? If we rearrange it, y square into dt by dy minus yt minus y square minus t square equal to 0. If we solve it further, we get 1 by t square dt by dy minus 1 by yt equal to 1 by y square. Okay, now we will differentiate this 1 by t equal to z with respect to y. Okay, let's see what we get. Dt into minus 1 upon t square equal to dz by dy. Okay, so from this equation 1, if we substitute this differentiated value, what we get? Minus dz upon dy minus z upon y equal to minus 1 of equal to 1 upon y square. Finally, dz upon dy plus z upon y minus equal to minus 1 by y square. The given equation can be integrated into generalized form of zy. Okay, so what we get if we integrate d of zy equal to integration of minus 1 upon y dy. Okay, what we get? Zy, yes, equal to minus log minus ln mod of y plus c, because 1 of y dy is ln. Okay, and minus sign is written as it is. So what is the next step? Zy, put z value of z. What is value of z? 1 upon t. So y upon t equal to minus ln of y plus c. Okay, so finally we get equation 2. What it is? Y upon t. So again for the substitute value of t, it is x plus 2. Okay, so y upon x plus 2 equal to ln y plus c. So we have got finally got the entire equation in form of x and y. C is a constant, so it can be, so it is not variable, so it should not be considered as a variable. So what we have to do, in the question it is given the point, the curve passes through point 1 comma 3. So substitute the value of 1 as x and 3 as y. So what we get? 3 3 upon 3 equal to minus ln 3 plus c. Okay, so we can get the value of c, constant c. Okay, it was unknown up till now, we can have its value. What it is? C is equal to ln mod 3e. Okay, 3e means exponential. So substituting the value of constant c in the equation, what we get? Minus ln plus ln 3e. So finally it is y upon x plus 2 equal to ln 3e by mod y. So what is the final equation? 3e upon mod y equal to e raised to y upon x plus 2. Okay. Then for solving it further, we get 3e equal to x plus 2 dot e raised to x plus 2 upon x plus 2. Okay. Finally, x mod x plus 2 has equal to 3 has two values, 1 and minus 5. But one we accept only value 1. Okay, because x equal to minus 5 is not acceptable according to given conditions in the problem. So we have no solution, only one, that is x equal to 1. So only one solution is possible, hence y equal to x plus 2 line intersects only at one point. So option A is correct. Okay. Now we will look at over at next question of NDA math syllabus from vector algebra chapter. If A vector, B vector, C vector are three non-zero vectors and mod of A vector cross B vector scalar product into C vector is equal to mod of A vector into mod of B vector into mod of C vector, then which one of the following is correct? So we are given a sample of four statements. We have to find the correct statement. Okay. So now we will study the properties and whatever the information are given in the question. What is given in the question? Here we have a scalar triple product, and it is given that its value is equal to product of moduluses of moduli of all vectors. Okay. So we will first write the given condition in the problem. Scalar product of A vector, B vector, C vector is equal to product of individual modulus of all three vectors. Okay. So what the scalar product means? Yes, it is volume of parallel piped with three vectors. Okay. Scalar triple product is equivalent to value of geometrical parallel piped. Okay, with three vectors having coterminous edges, means they have only they have one single terminal from through which different vectors A vector, B vector, C vectors emerge. So we know in a parallel pipe, if there is a one single point, and if from that single point if three sides emerge, then all the three sides are perpendicular to each other. Okay. If they are perpendicular to each other, they will form angle of 90 degree. Okay. So perpendicular vectors, the scalar product is always zero because it is mod A vector mod B vector cos theta. So and cos 90 is always zero. We know. So we have A vector dot B vector is zero. Also B vector dot C vector equal to zero, and finally C vector dot E vector is also zero. So option D is correct. Now let's see the final question from the session. The question from the reasoning subject related to chapter coding and decoding. Okay, let's see. In a certain code language, given time simple plan is written as given as a certain code word, and also tired solution plant great is written is another code word, and seek point good turn is written in another code word. Finally, garden sister phone team is written in another code word. Okay, if we observe that in this set of code encoded data, no term is repeating. Okay, so in the question what is asked, plan and translate. Plan is written over here once, and the word translate is also not mentioned in this problem. So we will have to apply certain another logic. Okay. In general coding and decoding problems, we find some similar terms. Suppose if given we have to find code word of given, then we will find given over here, and we will check where the another given word is given in another three sets of sentences. So if given word is given another in suppose third sentence, then we will compare these code words, and whichever is common for both, then code word for given will be that. particular term. Okay, this was the simple technique for coding and decoding problems, but here some different strategy has to be applied. Okay, let's see the what is that strategy. No term is repeated, so codes for similar terms cannot be identified. Also, the codes are randomly arranged. Means here in this code language, means the code for given should not be at the rate E4. Okay, it can be percentage N5 also. So there is random arrangement of code words, means one to one arrangement of code words hasn't been done. Okay, so we will see some different technique. Okay, observe the word given. How many terms it how many letters it contains? 5. Okay, the code words are generally, see, E, N, and E. What you observe from this four words and this E, N, and E? See, first letter is, are they the first letter? G, T, S, P? No. Are they the last letter? N, E, E, N? Yes, they are the last letters. So we got one clue that the code words are the means middle letter of the code words are the last letter. So now we will have to find out another final letter of the for the code word term. 4. Okay, 4 letter with ending with E should have what it has relation with 4. So which letter is ending with E? Time and simple. See, if we count the number of letters of time, how many letters are there? One, 2, 3, 4. So yes, so for E4 is correct. Then how many letters are in simple? S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters are in word simple. So code word for simple must be E6. Yes, E6 is also given. So yes, we are on the right track. So we have got the technique to find out the code words in the same code language. So now we will find out code words for the word plan. Okay. So what will be the code word for plan? How many letters are there in the code in the word plan? 4 letters. Okay, and last word N. Okay, so and for translate, how many letters are there? 9. And the last word E. So code word for plan will be N4, right? And code word for translate will be E9. E for last letter and 9 number of letters. Okay, so compare these two codes with the given options. So option B contains N4 and E9. So correct option is B. So these were the questions from the different defense exams like NDA, CDS, Air Force Group XY exams. So this was the session. If you have any doubts related to this session or any another doubt related to the topic from the same session, you can comment below. So till then, stay tuned. Thank you.